Welcome to Wedding Wahala with Taya. Today's topic, going to a wedding exhibition can be very intimidating. There are loads of people, loads of exhibitors, and you just might be thinking, oh my gosh, what have I got myself into? So we want to give you 5 tips on how to make the most of it. So tip number 1 is clear your diary and make a day of it. Don't think it's a pop in and pop out thing, especially with the National Wedding Show, as in there are loads of vendors in there and you are most likely going to get distracted. So it's better that you're prepared in your mind that this is going to be a whole day thing and I'm going to get what I want by the time I leave. So make sure you come with your comfy shoes, your smart chops, your pen, your paper, pictures if you need to do so that you are ready to take on this day. Tip number 2, choose a companion that's going to be helpful. You know, some of us have that friend that moans and complains and you kind of get very conscious and you're just like, oh, maybe I need to go because I might be taking up. No, get that ride or die friend that's going to go with you and be with you for the whole day. So you also prepare their minds that it's a whole day thing. Don't tell me, oh, come in your heel and your foot is hurting. No, come in your trainer. You know, you want that person that is going to be ride or die with you that day, ready to just help you source what you're sourcing and help you look for great ideas for your big day. Like, it's all about you. Like, let them know that it's all about you. They should not complain. Tip number 3 is do your research and know what you're going for. And when I say research, if you think, you know what, I've got this already, and I think what I want to know if I could get is maybe a cake, maybe a dress, and this, do your research. Do your research on prices, do your research on the kind of thing that you want, and so you have a better idea of what you're looking for. Because as I will keep saying, there are loads of vendors and you're going to see loads of the same vendors. So you're going to see loads of cake makers, you're going to see loads of car people, you're going to see loads of the same, you're going to also be chucked at you ideas that you never even knew were there, you never knew were available, you never even knew were possible. Like, you're just going to be like, oh, that's nice, that's nice, that's nice, ooh, that's beautiful. So do your research and know what you're going for, so you don't get too sidetracked and you leave at least with the stuff you want. And if you buy anything extra, wow, it's a bonus. You don't want to spend your whole day and think, oh, why did I go? So yeah, that's my tip number 3. Tip number 4 is be prepared to make some payments. Many vendors will give you a bargain that is only available at that show. So you need, if you've done your research, as I've given you in tip number 3, you will know that what they're offering me true is a bargain. What they're about to give me, what I'm about to pay for, true is a bargain. You know, and you won't have to hesitate. You'll be able to make that decision very quickly because you know that's what you came for and you know that, wow, this is a bargain. So I say be prepared to make those kind of payments. Usually they're just deposits. They're not going to make you pay the full thing at once, but at least a deposit which they'll require for you to secure it as a visitor of the show. So make sure you're prepared to do that. Don't go empty-handed. Don't go there saying, yeah, I'm just looking for inspiration and yeah, that's it. No, I tell you, some vendors are only going to give you bargains that are only available on that day, so be prepared to make payments. And my 5th and final tip would be have a way to separate your information. You are going to be leave with loads of leaflets, loads of catalogues, loads of ideas, possibly loads of pictures, and you just want a way to be able to separate all of that stuff. So my suggestion would be to have 3 bags, good sized bags. You've got your companion with you who's ride or die with you that day, so they won't be bringing no luggage, they'll carry a bag for you too, and one which will be the important must-have stuff, and that will have all that information. You'll have another one for the bonus stuff, so all that inspiration that you know you never went there for, that you know is like, wow, I really must have this now. You know, we get that when we sell ourselves so hard. It's like, no, I must have this. So you have that bag and then you also have that bag with the not so important stuff, because we all have a heart and we don't want to just not refuse that person that's giving us the leaflet. You know them ones, or when you've heard the price and you're thinking, oh no, it's nice but not that nice, but you don't want to be saying, no, I don't want it, no, I don't want it. You say, oh, thank you, take it, and you put it in your bag. You know what you're doing, they don't know what you're doing. So that's my tip, because by the time you now leave the place, if you do not sort everything out on that same day, at least you'll remember, okay, I had 3 bags, this was my important stuff, this was my extra bonus stuff, and this was my not so important stuff. So you know you don't really need to look in that bag. You might find something later, but you know you don't really need to look into it. Whereas trust me, I've been to so many exhibitions and you just have so much stuff, and then when you sort it out, you can't even remember what's what. Like, or you're looking for stuff and you just keep going through all the leaflets and thinking, oh my gosh, I can't find it, but it is in there somewhere. So that's my tip number 5. So just to recap on our 5 tips on making the most of the wedding exhibition. Tip number 1, make sure you clear your diary and make a day of it. Tip number 2, make sure you grab that ride or die companion that's going to support you on that day. Tip number 3, you do your research and know what you're going there for. Tip number 4, make sure you have some cards, some money, so you can make payments if need be for those must-have bargains. And tip number 5, have a way of sorting out your information so you know what's important and what's not so important when you're reviewing it after the shoot. So I hope that has helped you along your wedding planning process, and it's got you really thinking how you're going to make the best of your visit to the wedding show, whichever ones you may be attending. As I said, the National Wedding Show is coming up the 16th to the 18th of February. It's one of the biggest, so come on. This is the London one I'm going to. That is the 16th to the 17th, and make sure you make your trip there. If you're going, I'd love to hear from you, so make some comments down below and say, yes, I'll be there, I'll be there. And if you see me with my little camera, just say hi. I am planning to be there and check it all out. And yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you give us a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you share it with a bride that needs some help right now, and make sure you leave some comments, because you know this is a big video. But no, thank you very much for watching Wedding Wahala. Make sure you hashtag Wedding Wahala with any questions, and if not, email them to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I know the dengue, I know the post. My baby give me biscuit, I want to sugar. The things you do me, but Joe Barrow, Koshewi, Boru Barrow, Boru.